Your vehicle has several safety features that are designed to help reduce injury in the event of a collision. This personal safety system includes front seat outermost safety belts with pretensioners, which is what tightens your safety belt, and it includes several airbags: driver and front passenger airbags, side airbags, driver and passenger knee airbags, and the safety canopy, which is side curtain airbags. There are also sensors throughout your vehicle to help analyze conditions before activating the safety belt pretensioners and airbags. They determine whether the front passenger seat is occupied and the severity of a frontal crash. These sensors compile information and provide it to the restraints control module, which deploys the safety belt pretensioners and the airbags. Based on the information received, the restraints control module decides which safety devices to deploy and when to do so. Your vehicle is also equipped with a belt minder system, and sensors can detect which seats are occupied. This icon will illuminate, and a warning tone will sound if the driver's safety belt is not fastened when the ignition is turned on. When the initial warning expires, additional alerts will occur if the driver or front passenger has not fastened their safety belts once the vehicle's speed has exceeded 6 miles per hour. In addition, this icon will illuminate to show you the number of seats with fastened safety belts, including the rear seats. A warning will pop up and a tone will sound to alert you if a safety belt in a rear seat unfastens. The checkmark symbol indicates that the safety belt is fastened. An empty seat indicates the safety belt is not fastened and the seat is unoccupied. The seat with an exclamation point shows you which safety belt has been unfastened.